Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Tumelo Mokone. Some of you guys know me as Tristan T. Baba, especially on Facebook. Anyway, this is 2012. I'm just making the most of life, people. I want to make Botswana go to an international level, and the pop culture here is phenomenal. We just need people to see it. Now, I'm the guy that you've been waiting for, hopefully. But I really just want to make the most of life so that everybody can know that wherever you want to do, whatever you want to do, wherever you want to go in life, you've got it in the back of your hand. So let's make it rap. This is gonna be a phenomenal song that I'm gonna do for you guys. It's by a legendary African artist. His name is Hugh Masekela, but I call him Papa Masekela because he feels like a fatherly figure to me. Here I go. I see her flaunting lazily through the market like a butterfly. I won't forget the day the sun came shining. I'm saying shining, shining, shining. We started making everything so we could have a ball. I won't forget the day the sun came shining, shining, shining. I'm saying shining, shining. I won't forget the day the sun came shining. Oh, mama. Vote for me, everybody. This is your guy, Tumelo Mokone. You know, got me. Thank you all.